Hello, what's going on everyone? And in today's video, I want to show you how you can actually connect your TapSwap to your Solana wallet. And it's really very simple. What you need to do is really very simple. First of all, you need to make use of a legitimate wallet. An example that you can actually use is called a Phantom wallet. And I want to go to my Phantom wallet right now, which is this particular app right here. You can get it downloaded and install on your phone. Okay, so I want to open it up right now, and then this is the interface. You can go to where it says something like receive right here. You can click on that, and I want to repeat that. I'm not quite sure you guys got what I just did. Okay, so we have a send button right here, and we also have receive and also buy button. Okay, but the one I want to click on is this one that says receive. So I want to click on receive, and then it's going to open up this wallet for me, where we'll have our Solana wallet, which is the first one right here, and then we also have Ethereum and then Polygon down here. But the one I want to basically copy right now is the one that is actually dedicated for Solana. So I'm going to touch on this, and then you see something like copied. Okay, so I have that copied to my clipboard. You can alternatively click on this icon right here to get it copied. And the next thing you need to do is to go back to let's go back to Telegram, and then I want to open up our TapSwap right here. So I want to open that up, and we have that interface opened up. So I want to click on back to TapSwap. All right, now you see that my TapSwap interface is actually open right now, and what I want to do right now to connect my wallet is really very simple. I want to go to this place where it says something like task. Okay, can you guys see this? You want to tap on task. It's going to open up for you, and then within this particular place, you're going to see where it says something just under special. You're going to see where it says something like connect Solana wallet right here. And once you do this, you are basically going to earn a 100,000 worth of TapSwap. Okay, you're going to earn that token right here. So what you basically want to do is to go ahead and then touch on this right here, and then it's going to open up right here. So this is the reward you're basically going to get once you connect this. Okay, and it's really very simple. So what you want to do right here is really very simple. So you can click on start mission. Okay, so the mission has actually been started, and we can actually go to, let's click on go to. Okay, so it's going to open up this interface for you. If you click on go to, and they say something like welcome to TapSwap dashboard. They say connect your wallet and sign the message to submit your Solana address to the TapSwap application. And it's really very simple. So what you need to do on this interface is basically click on connect, okay, instead of disconnect. So I'm going to click on connect right here. So let's tap on connect. And that's basically going to open this up for you guys. And as you can see, it basically opened up with that of your what is it called, it's open with your Phantom wallet. If you take a look at that very well, and down here it's giving you some messages that if you do this connection right now, you are going to be able to view your wallet balance and activities, request for approval for transaction, and then the likes of other things that you can actually do here. Okay, so what you basically want to do right here is to go ahead and click on connect. And then if you take a look in here, you see that that particular address has actually been copied. Okay, so look at it right here on this particular line, and what you need to do is to just click on sign. Okay, if you want to disconnect it, you can click on disconnect down here, but that's not what you want to do. What we basically want to do is to click on sign. All right, so if you take a look in here, you confirm it. This is the message right here. This is the account, which is Solana, and that's account 1, and then the network is actually on Solana. So you can basically go ahead and click on approve right here. So let's click on approve. And now you see that they say welcome to TapSwap, and you confirmed the Solana address right here, okay, which is what you can actually see right here. So you see that that is actually correct. Okay, so you've connected that. If you want to disconnect it, you can go to disconnect right here, but if you don't want to disconnect it, you can just leave it like that, and you can just click on back to mining. So I'm going to click on back to mining right here, and that's basically going to take me back to mining. Okay, and we are really back right now. Okay, so this is the interface. All right, so what we basically need to do right here after the connection is to go ahead and then click on check. And then if you click that, as you can see, you see something like done right here. Okay, you can open that up if you want to, but if you want to click on something like finish, you can actually click on finish right here. So let's go ahead and then click on finish mission right here. And it says congratulations, you have successfully completed the mission, and now it's now time for you to claim this 400,000 coin, okay, worth of a TapSwap coin. So what we basically want to do right now is to go ahead and click on claim. and it says mission completed. And that just basically hit on how to connect your Solana wallet to your TapSwap. Okay, all right, so that is just that. So we can actually go back right now, and if you take a look at our coin right here, I had about 200 and something before now, but now that we have just actually done that, you see now that we now have 300 and something. Okay, over 300,000 something. Okay, so that's just how to basically connect that. And if you take a look in here where it says connect wallet, Solana wallet, you see that it now has a check mark. So that's just basically how to connect your wallet to your TapSwap. Okay, and it's really very simple, right? So that is just that. So just make sure you keep on mining this particular coin without wasting much time. So you keep on mining that. This is just basically how you can connect your Solana wallet to it. And I hope that it really helps you guys. And if it did, I just want you to go to the comment section below and just say thank you right there. And if you have any issues or have any questions, you can actually drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.